All right, this is the brief on Mantle Network, or MNT. So what's Mantle? Well, it's basically a high-performance Layer 2 designed to make your Ethereum transactions way faster and cheaper. It's got this pretty ambitious vision, trying to connect decentralized finance, DeFi, with regular banking.
Okay, but what problem does it actually solve for someone like me?
Right, good question. So you know how Ethereum can get super clogged up? High fees, transactions taking forever? Mantle's kind of like adding an express lane. We're talking potentially 80% cheaper fees and speeds up to like 500 transactions a second. They're aiming for this blockchain for banking thing, making crypto easier to use alongside your normal money, especially it seems for folks in Asia.
Interesting. So how does it actually get that speed boost?
Yeah, it's pretty clever. They use what's called a modular architecture. Think of it like separating the different jobs a blockchain does. Processing, storing data, finalizing things into their own specialized layers makes everything more efficient. And a really key part is something called EigenDA for handling data. Instead of jamming everything onto the main Ethereum chain, which is expensive, they use EigenDA. It's way cheaper and gives them, get this, like 234 times more data capacity. Plus, they're planning an upgrade to something called ZK validity rollups later next year. That's going to mean super secure, almost instant transactions, cutting withdrawal waits from days down to maybe less than an hour.
Wow, okay.
Are there any big risks or downsides I should know about?
Definitely. Something to consider. On the plus side, Mantle has this massive treasury. Over $4 billion, seriously. They use it to fuel growth and back projects, giving them a huge edge. But, and this is important, right now, its transaction ordering system, the sequencer, is centralized. That means one entity is in charge, creating a potential single point of failure, maybe even censorship risk. They do have plans to decentralize it, but until then, it's a definite vulnerability. Gotcha. So Mantle's got the tech and the cash to potentially shake things up on Ethereum, but we gotta keep an eye on that decentralization part. This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something. That's right, Alex. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research so you don't have to.